This muscle cell does not respond to light. Nitric oxide is causing these muscle cells to relax. This muscle cell is responding to a cytokine by dividing to make two cells. In response to a hormone, this muscle cell is taking up nutrients from a nearby blood vessel. In response to visible light, photoreceptors generate a signal. The signal travels to a neighboring cell, which is part of a relay chain that ends in the visual center of the brain. Nitric oxide is causing this photoreceptor to go through light adaptation. Light adaptation allows your eye to adjust as you move from the dark to a brightly lit room. This photoreceptor does not respond to this particular cytokine. This photoreceptor does not respond to this particular hormone. Ultraviolet light from the sun damages a cell's DNA. DNA damage can result in mutations in genes that control certain behaviors. In this case, a mutation is causing a cancer cell to grow and divide. This skin cancer cell is responding to nitric oxide by initiating programmed cell death. Also known as apoptosis, programmed cell death is a form of self-destruction. This skin cancer cell is responding to a cytokine signal by growing and dividing rapidly. This skin cancer cell is responding to a hormone by becoming unstuck from its neighbors and migrating. It will enter a nearby blood vessel and invade another tissue in the body. Light causes this plant cell to undergo photosynthesis. Chloroplasts inside the cell are using light energy to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar. Nitric oxide causes this plant cell to grow and divide. This plant cell does not respond to this particular cytokine. This particular hormone does not trigger a response in this plant cell. This fibroblast does not respond to light. Nitric oxide is causing this cell to differentiate or become another cell type. This fibroblast is turning into a myofibroblast. which is similar to a muscle. This fibroblast is responding to a cytokine by dividing and moving. This fibroblast is responding to a hormone by producing and releasing proteins. These proteins will form the glue that holds the cells in a tissue.